Realme President Sheth all but revealed that there is a Realme 9 Pro Plus on the way. Now the company's Twitter account has made it official. This will be the first phone to bear the Pro Plus designation among the Realme number series. Of course, the Realme 9 Pro itself is yet to be unveiled. So far, all the official information we have on the two is that both are going to launch in India on February 10, 2022, not long after the 9i arrives. We can look to unofficial sources for a sneak peek at what's to come. Previously, OnLeaks and SmartPre partnered to reveal Realme 9 Pro specs and images. Now they have done the same for the Pro Plus. The two models will come equipped with different cameras. Well, different main cameras. We should say the regular Pro will have a 64-megapixel module. The Pro Plus will feature a 50-megapixel wide Sony camera sensor with optical image stabilization. A previous leak suggests that the 50-megapixel camera will use an image sensor with 1.0 micron pixels and an 1.8 aperture lens. Both phones also feature an 8-megapixel ultra-wide and a 2-megapixel helper, plus a punch-hole-mounted 16-megapixel selfie camera. The Pro Plus will be powered by the Dimensity 920, while the regular Pro will get the 6nm processor Snapdragon 695. The Plus model will have a smaller 6.43 inches Super AMOLED display with lower refresh rate, 90 Hz, compared to the 6.59 inches 120 Hz panel on the regular Pro. It will be the smaller device of the two. That means a smaller 4500 mAh battery too, though it will be faster to charge at 65 watt while the 9i and 9 Pro do 33 watt. Like this video and hit that free subscribe button below to get more videos.